Hey, it's time for a little breakfast before we start our day.
What is that?
What's it?
Weird. Oh, look at that. There's a manhole there. I wonder what that's for. Oh my
American
goodness.
sycamore.
It is an American sycamore.
Okay, this says American sycamore. Long, winding rows of massive white trunked trees line the banks of streams in the Ohio Valley. Thus, the explorers of yesterday and today know that water will be found where the moist, soil-loving sycamore grows. The largest tree in the Metropolitan Park system is the sycamore, measuring 23 feet in circumference. The strikingly bark is formed by other plates of bark peeling off, revealing whitish inner bark. Seed clusters known as button balls may be seen dangling from branches in the winter. Oh, do we have to see any button balls?
Wow. Look at that thing.
Looks like a shelf.
Yeah, I don't know what kind of mushroom that is.
Wonder if any gnomes are living in there.
Oh. That is a pretty crazy looking mushroom.
Look.
Yeah, look at that. Look at this, Paige. Look at these trees. They're just kind of growing right over. Well, they probably fell. Fell right over the little creek here. And then there's a really good tree. Hey, buddy. What? Look at you, chick. What are you doing?
When at school, they slide
Doing a little corkscrew.
Adventure today. We decided to go on a family hike just to try to enjoy the sunny weather because it had been raining for, I don't know, a week. Where did we go?
We went over to Highbanks Metro Park. It's just north of Columbus. It's not exactly a small park, but it's not a huge park. I think they have 10 miles of trails, lots of trails, and
Yeah, they have some
lots of playgrounds.
They have
for
some
kids.
strictly hiking trails, and then they have some multi-use trails that you could use like a bicycle or like a little motorized something on. Paved and gravel paths. So if you need something handicap accessible, you could do some of the paved area. So we just did a really short hike today because by the time we got up and moving and down to where we went, which is about 45 minutes from our house, Jake was kind of tired. And he didn't want to do anything. He was like, I just want to go home. So we just did a small little like half-mile loop, and then we let the kids play at the park for a little while. It was called the Scenic River Route. It went just right along the side of the Olentangy River, which runs along the side of State Route 315. So you could go down and look at the river, and you could see the road on the other side of the river, which was it's kind of neat to be on the other side of that, because you drive down 315 all the time and don't really think twice about all the nature that surrounds it. It's a really pretty drive, but it was kind of a neat perspective to be on the other side. So
yeah, they had some straw obstacle course things set up for the kids.
I think they had a fall festival yesterday, so we must have missed out on that. But like I said, we live about 45 minutes away, so it's not like we really get updates on it. So, but it was fun. This little guy, I don't think you guys have ever seen him.
It's Parker Cat.
This is Parker Cat. This is our family cat. We've had him for about a year. We rescued him from the Humane Society. And he's just a big part of our lives. He's a very cuddly cat. We think he was reincarnated from a dog. He's very loving. He likes to be all up in your business and be on your lap and purr, and he's not scared of people. So he was well loved before he was at the Humane Society, you can tell. But we're happy to have him as part of our family.
Yeah, we're gonna work on getting him leash trained, so maybe we can take him on our adventures next year.
Yeah, he kind of tends to want to go outside a lot and hang out outside. So we want to kind of try to keep him contained when we take him camping, because we would hate to lose him because he is a member of our family. So we've been working on wearing a harness with him, and he doesn't mind the harness, but once you put the leash on, he is not so happy.
He freaks out.
Yeah, and the kids always want to take him for a walk like he's a dog, which is just not how it works with cats.
No.
So, so anyway, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. We want to be able to take him with us on our long trip out west next summer. So we'll see. Otherwise, he might just be stuck in the camper.
Or he has to stay home.
Keep liking and keep subscribing so we can keep going. Thanks a lot.
All right.